Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, today we are going to bake meat pie, and this is the flour we are going to be using to bake. This is the first time we are using this flour, and they use it to make spaghetti. Also they use it to bake, so I'm going to try if it's going to good for meat pie, and they also use it for this. Okay, so we are going to try it to see if it's going to work on meat pie. So guys, let's do it. So guys, this is the bowl I'm going to use to bake this meat pie, and this is the flour I'm going to use. This is the flour I'm going to use. You can use any flour you have, and also this is my vanilla sugar. I just like to add it to give me more flavor, and also the baking powder. Okay, and this is the butter I'm going to be using with my sugar here and a little bit of salt. So let's dive into the video right now. The first thing, I just go ahead to put my bowl here. So guys, we change the bowl because the other one I think is too high, so you cannot be seeing inside. That is why we change the bowl to this. So the first thing, I'll just go ahead to open my flour.
Mom cannot. That is so good.
So guys, I use half of this flour. So you can see I use half of this flour.
Red flour, Flour is for bloemen. Ja, Flour is voor bloemen. Flour voor bloemen.
Okay, do it.
Mom want to do baby hair like this. Yeah. It's very hot. Yeah. You can very open. Yeah.
And also my vanilla sugar.
Vanilla sugar. Let's put it on. Yeah, put for me like it.
I'm adding half of it.
Mom's coming to take this one. Now finish the green.
And my baking powder.
Oh, no, finish the green, do you know? What? No, finish the green. Yeah. So that we use it to bake. Yeah. Wow. Wow. I see it. Me too. Wow. I'm going to do all of, not all of it. Yeah. Then I'll super summer with butter.
So guys, all the dry ingredients we have put it, so we'll just go in here to add the butter on it right now.
Add the butter on it. Yeah. Okay. Mama, I love your meat.
So guys, right now I have done mixing the dry ingredient together. So the next thing, I'll just put my liquid milk in my cup, just a little liquid milk because we are using half of flour on this baking. So I add some sugar, but I add just a little sugar because of my kids. If you love sugar, you can add more than this. And then I will mix it with my liquid milk and pour it into the dry ingredient and the flour that I mixed. And so I'm using 4 eggs. Louis, please quiet. I'm using 4 eggs into this recipe. So I just pour all in the bowl. So I'll just use my hand to mix it until I see that the oil is coming out in my hand before start the next steps. Keep watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and let's bake it together. See how the flour is looking, and it's not gumming my hand, and also it doesn't gum the bowl I use and mix it. So whenever you notice that oil is coming out and it's no longer gumming your hand, staining your hand, also staining the bowl, you know that the flour is ready. So we'll just go ahead to step it aside and then make the sauce we are going to put inside the meat pie, guys. First thing, I just slice my onions and put it inside my pan, fry it with a little bit of red bell pepper and also my blended meat. This meat is cow blended meat, so I'll just use my spoon just to scatter it so that it will not be gum. And there you can see it after 5 minutes how it's looking. I put my potato and also my spices and a little bit of water. Let's bring a little bit of the flour, the dry flour, in the soft where I'm going to be using to roll this meat.